Storm's not over yet. This is what we have so far. It's about 8:15 in the morning. It's still coming down at about 20 inches. And it's still coming down at 1 or 2 inches an hour, they're saying. The driveways were plowed about 5:30 this morning, about 4 hours ago. I know it's hard to gauge depth, but I'm looking at this drift that the plow put here, and it's in my eye level, so about 6 feet tall. Look at the wind blowing the snow, and listen to the sound it's making. All Lake County roads have been closed by the authorities. We have one lane opened, and that was opened by our own plowing crew so they could get from one driveway to the next. And finally the sun came out, and so did my neighbor Wrigley, along with his tennis ball. Good boy! Yay, good job.